Imagine running a business where your data is a mess, conflicting reports, outdated information, and absolutely no way to verify what's true. It's like trying to win a race with a blindfold on. Welcome to the world without data governance, where your data works against you instead of for you. But it doesn't have to be this way. Let's dive into the hidden power of data governance and how it can transform chaos into clarity. Meet Sarah, a successful CEO of a mid-sized retail company. She thought she was making data-driven decisions until one day she realized her data was driving her into a ditch. Sales reports didn't match, customer data was outdated, and worst of all, a security breach leaked sensitive client information. She lost not only millions in revenue, but also the trust of her customers. This could happen to anyone, and it's all because of one missing element: robust data governance. Now, let's break down what data governance really means and why it's not just a buzzword. Data governance is a framework of rules, policies, and processes that ensure your data is accurate, secure, and used ethically. It's the backbone of every successful data-driven decision. Without it, you're not just risking bad decisions, you're risking your entire business. Let's tackle this beast from every angle: ethics, security, data engineering, generative AI, and cloud platforms. First up, ethics. Imagine having a treasure trove of customer data, habits, preferences, spending patterns. Tempting, right? But with great data comes great responsibility. Mishandle it, and you're not just breaking trust, you're breaking the law. Ethical data governance ensures that customer data is used responsibly, respecting privacy and ensuring transparency. It's not just about compliance, it's about doing the right thing. Think of it as the moral compass of your data strategy. Remember when Facebook got slammed for the Cambridge Analytica scandal? They had the data, but they didn't have the governance or the ethics. Data engineering isn't just about building fancy pipelines, it's about building pipelines that respect governance rules. Your ETL processes need to align with governance policies to ensure data integrity from the moment it's ingested to the time it's consumed. The goal: to eliminate bad data before it even enters the system, reducing errors, ensuring compliance, and making your data truly reliable. Proper data engineering is like building guardrails on a highway. It keeps your data on the right track. Security is the fortress around your data. Data breaches are not just financial losses, they're public relations disasters. Implementing data governance helps you establish who can access what data, why, and when. Think of it as giving keys only to those who need it, and setting up alarms for unauthorized access. From encryption to access control, a strong data governance framework shields your data from becoming someone else's payday. Remember the Equifax breach? Millions of Social Security numbers stolen because of one unpatched vulnerability. Good governance would have locked that door tight. Generative AI is the new buzzword, but it's also a double-edged sword. AI models learn from data, and if your data governance isn't solid, your AI could be learning all the wrong things. Biased data leads to biased AI, which leads to poor business decisions, or worse, unethical outcomes. With the right governance in place, you ensure that your AI learns responsibly, giving you reliable insights without compromising on ethics. Remember Microsoft's AI chatbot that turned racist in less than 24 hours? That's what happens when AI meets ungoverned data, with data spread across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Keeping governance consistent is a massive challenge. Cloud platforms offer flexibility, but they also require strict governance to ensure data privacy, compliance, and security. Governance policies help you manage data access, control data movement, and ensure that your cloud strategy doesn't turn into a compliance nightmare. The problem is clear. Without data governance, you're navigating blindly in a data-driven world. But the solution isn't just a set of rules, it's a culture shift. It's about integrating ethics, engineering, security, AI, and cloud management into every step of your data strategy. With data governance, Sarah turned her data nightmare into a dream, a streamlined, secure, and compliant operation that not only protected her business, but also propelled it forward. Data governance isn't just a box to check, it's the secret sauce behind every successful data-driven business. From ethical AI to secure cloud operations, the right governance framework protects your data and amplifies its value. Ready to take control of your data destiny? Subscribe for more on mastering data governance, engineering, and AI. Your data deserves better, and so do you.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.